In this video, I will show you how to create a point on a line by using the function createPointOnLine. I can click on a line and the point is created at the click position. If I highlight one element, a small arrow indicating a direction is displayed. I can use it in order to indicate a distance by clicking the spacebar. Here, for example, I would indicate the distance from the start of the element. If I would like to indicate the distance from the end of the element, I would use the tabulator before to click the spacebar. If I press the tabulator again, I would have the possibility to indicate a ratio from the start of the element. And if I press the tabulator again, I could indicate a ratio from the end of the element. Now I will show you how to create a point on the side seam of my front piece at 10 cm from the hem. I select the function createPointOnLine. I highlight the element, click on space and indicate 10 cm. I click on OK or press Enter. The point is created. If I want now to create a point at 2 cm below my waist point, I can highlight my element, press the tabulator in order to have the correct view beginning from the end. I click then on space and indicate my distance, 2 cm. I confirm with OK or Enter. The point is created.